Let's say that I want to solve a system of equations using Desmos. The first thing I want to do is make sure that both equations are solved for y. If you look here at the first equation, it is not yet solved for y, so I can't just type it into Desmos. So I'm going to take the equation 3x minus 5y equals 22, and I'm going to solve for y. So my first step is to take the x term and move it to the other side by using the addition property of equality. So in other words, we're going to subtract it from both sides. That's going to leave us with a negative 5y on the left equal to a negative 3x plus, because it's a positive 22, plus 22. Now I need to get rid of the negative 5 in front of the y. So what I'll do is use multiplication property of equality to divide everything by the negative 5. This will leave me with a y equals negative 3x over 5, negative 5 plus 22 over negative 5. We can now take this equation and type that into Desmos. The second equation was already solved for y, so we can already type this one into Desmos as well. So that takes us to that second step, actually putting them in. Y equals negative 3x divided by negative 5 plus 22 divided by negative 5. Then I'm going to type in my second equation. Y equals negative 5x plus 32. Now that I've typed in both equations, I need to figure out where the two lines intersect. So as you can see now, I don't see where the two lines cross. I don't even see the second line. So the very first thing I'm going to do is click on this little house symbol right here. That's going to give me a default zoom. Now that very easily shows me where the two lines cross. I can also zoom out to make sure that I can find where they cross and then zoom in on where they're actually crossing by clicking and dragging so that it's right in the middle. So I find where the two lines cross right here. To figure out the point, all I have to do is click on it. We see that we have the ordered pair 6.5 and negative 0.5. That will be the solution. Now, if you actually look at this problem, though, that I'm working on, it's asking for just the x value. So I would actually just say 6.5. And this is how you're going to solve a system of equations using Desmos.